another video, and in today's video I'm actually gonna be doing a squishy video. But before we get on to this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Also comment #notification squad for a chance to win a shout out into my next. So the squishies that I'm gonna be opening are actually 12 pieces, and here is the package. It's from Ninja Van, and I'm not gonna show you guys the back of this package because it has my address. So let's get started. So I've already opened the back of these, and let's just take this out from this package. So here it is, and now I'm gonna be opening this up, but there's this just color green right here. I'm so excited, and it's really nice because it's in a side of a bubble wrap. And when I actually ordered this, like after that, they sorry if you guys are annoyed with these my nails because they're actually a little bit dirty, and it is really fast shipping, guys, because after the owner shipped the item, 2 days after that the package just came, and I'm really happy. So by the way guys, inside this package is actually a 12 pieces squishy, and I just noticed lately that after I flip this one, I have something to let you guys see. It's an emoji bun. Well, I'm guessing that this is actually an emoji bun because you can guys see a little bit, and I love these bubble wraps so much. But anyways, let's just get started and open this up. So it comes with another package, and I don't know what this is. Oh my god! Oh, here's a panda bun. Oh, they're not that polarizing, but it's okay, it's fine. Wow, here are all the squishies. Whoa! They give me a freebie, a hand spinner. This is so cool. So first off, we have this hand spinner. I guess this is actually a freebie. I'm guessing because I did not order this. Yo, it's so cool. Wow. So let's move on to the squishies. So the first squishy is this heart donut squishy with what do you call this? Drizzle. Yeah. It's a little bit sticky, but it's really fine. I'm really not expecting this. They're like medium squishies. It's dense, and they smell a little bit good. Yeah. Next one is this emoji bun. I'm gonna be calling this an emoji bun because it expresses a feeling, and it is actually bitten. It's like a bitten bun. It is. It's so cute. It's color pink, and it's so soft. Actually, these both have the same scent, but this is a little bit more sweeter, and it comes with this. So soft. Wow. Next we have this Rilakkuma donut. I guess I'm gonna be guessing it's a Rilakkuma donut, but it definitely looks like a Rilakkuma, and this one's so soft. This one is a little bit sticky. I mean, it's actually stickier than this donut. Yeah, it's so sticky. They just have the same scent, but this one has the really strong scent. Yeah, kind of like. Then we have this donut bear with some drizzle, and it's colored green. Whoa, look at that drizzle. It's more denser than the other squishy and sticky. And it's kind of hard and dense. Yeah. There's a hole. So. Next squishy is this paw squishy, and it's color pink. It's dense, sticky. It's dense and sticky. Next, we have this Hello Kitty bun. It's color pink. So let's open this. It's sticky and dense. I'm guessing that they're all dense. We have this bun. I don't know what to call this bun. I guess another emoji bun, but this one is so soft. Like, oh my gosh, it's really soft and sticky. Oh, can't you guys see this? It's so sticky and so soft. I like it. So far, this is the most amazing squishy. For out of these squishies that I've already opened up. Next, we have this bitten donut, and it's color pink. It's not that sticky, and it's still dense. By the way, guys, this is not dense. It's really soft. Then we have this girl panda bun, and it's the panda bun that has these pink ribbon. It's soft. It's not that soft. It's dense and sticky. It's really cute. We have this another panda bun, and it's color brown, and it's actually a boy panda bun. That's a boy panda bun. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's really dense. It's not that dense. It's just dense. It's a little bit sticky. Yes, it's a little bit sticky. But yeah. Yep, it's so cute. Next, we have this cat bun, I guess, and it's crying, I guess, but it looks so sad. It's soft. Oh my god, and it's squishy and a little bit dense. Wow. So far out from these squishies are like the best ones. You won't guys believe it. They are like the best. Next squishy, we have this emoji bun. Oh my god. It's sticky and soft. Wait, I'm just gonna get this one. They're both so soft and sticky, but the stickiest one is this one, and the softest one is this one, but they're just like have the same texture. Oh my god, they're so nice.